Hi, welcome to my house. Let's go. We really fell in love with the architecture house from the inside out. We wanted something that is vintage, retro. There are some modern elements in it. When designing the TV cabinet, we wanted to have this asymmetrical design. We didn't want something that is too centered and too symmetrical on centralizing the cabinet, more elongating the space. We opted for this white cabinet with the marble printed background. Makes the living area look much more spacious. So when choosing the decor for the space, we chose this armchair. The shape of it with the material is corduroy and it's brown and it complements the color of the space well, and we love it so much. Goes towards the dining area. We have this curved ceiling to have that modern element edge. So we built this wall. We made it into a bench corner nook and integrated it with this dining table that we customized. And we have this peel leather back that is hung with this gold brass, and it actually makes the space has a lot more better character. A hallway is an opportunity to make it look more interesting. It's not just a space for you to walk by. Like this batten wall that was made with neutral colors to make it look more interesting. One of the things that we spent in this house renovation is this jewelry drawer and this trouser track that I use for arranging my scarves. We also have this socks and belt organization drawer, and it helps us to get ready for the day much easier. Making a smart renovation decision is very important. So one of the key areas that we usually have in home spaces is a guest bedroom. People always think that they have to splurge, but in fact, if you have a guest bedroom, that's only going to be occupied for a couple of days, maybe just a few weeks, maybe in just one day. So you don't really have to furnish it heavily.